Or what's up, YouTube? Today, let's build something with some Lego. So, yeah. Okay, as you can see, no sunglasses this time. You want to see me open-faced? That's what it is. What we're gonna do is we're gonna probably mess with this. Maybe mess with something else. Honestly, I thought about messing with this MOC right back here. It's in my front room. Got some like really bad lighting. Let me show you it in another light. I thought about messing with this Iron Man kind of MOC that I made up. I don't know if a lot of people would be interested in it or not, but I was trying to make a hood on the top, as you can see the connection, and then the extra connections on the back for anything else and added. If anybody wanted to, let me know on anything on this. Just let me know. Okay, as you know, go like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff up there and down there, wherever it is. But, yes, I had just got off work 2 nights at Domino's. I don't know if I want to stay there anymore. No telling. So, Domino's is just kind of not working out. Amazon is where I'm thinking I'm going to. So, let's get back to Lego. Okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna work on? The bass boat. Yes. But what I'm gonna do is some customizations with some sticker pieces. So stay tuned. Remember, Facebook, Twitter, my Crazy Legoer fan page. So go like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching. Okay, and you can see our city has not been well taken care of. As you can see, I do have the police station over there. My own creation, MOC. So, just to let you know. But we're going to work on some designs on the side of the boat. So, yeah. You see how the boat is. You know you want one. You know you want a bass boat. So, nobody else has bass boat. Just to let you know. Okay, what we're gonna do with the bass boat is the side pieces. I'm going to fix those up with some cool, like custom pinstriping or something like that on it, like to make it look a little bit nicer. I have all these colors that I can choose from, like even carbon fiber, but I don't know what I'm going to end up using. Probably the silver, but let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and probably do some of this off camera because I don't have a lot of room left on this memory card. Alright, as you can see, I changed it up a little bit. I got some side pieces, stickers on there. I will be adding a little bit more, not to overdo it, but it'll be on the trailer and the boat, I think. But it's on both sides. So, yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I like it. So, keep on watching. Alright, did a little bit more customization work on it. Looks pretty sweet. I like it. I did the other side identical. So, yeah, looks pretty badass. I like it. Or bad arse, whatever. But still got a little bit more work to it. Thinking about doing something on the back end over here with that silver. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of it, and if I should do anything like this for the Lego Ideas platform that they got, because I'm pretty sure they would end up making some kind of boat like this if I perfected the engine. And they can always use the same mold because it's the mold down here is the same one as the Coast Guard boat. So keep watching. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm basically done with this video now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the progress, show you what it looks like, and I really didn't do much more than what you just saw. So I will be doing a little bit more on this boat, like kind of changing up a few things on the trolling motor, like somebody said the jack plate was too something, I can't remember what it was, but here's what I've done. So go like, subscribe, and comment, and like always, peace out.